Yeah, I'm
Here we are, first coffee and cars for the year. Short video. Probably not. See what happens.
I rode along with a couple people when I was out there.
There's a gal. There's a gal that.
Always put the troublemakers in the back.
Yeah, that's kind of what I like. That people are like, oh, that's different. Where's that in? Why'd you put a Ford motor in there? I said, that was fucking Ford motor. No, the distributor's up front.
Put the troublemakers in the back.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah. Yo.
Thanks for inviting me to Corvettes and coffee. I like it.
Where's your New Balances at? Hey.
I can't afford the New Balance.
I was gonna say, where's your New Balances at? All right, it'll be a wrap for now.